Hello everyone, welcome back to Nirja Education channel. Before we start this video, please subscribe our channel if you have not done it and press the bell icon for the notifications. In the previous video, we have seen that how to insert the smart art in your document. In this video, I will teach you how to insert chart in a document. So let's start this video. Click on the Insert tab and from the Illustrations group, I am going to select the Chart option. And as you can see, so many types of charts are listed over here. So I will select the pie chart and you can see that this is your pie chart in which chart title is there and then first quarter, second quarter, third quarter and fourth quarter. And then click OK button. As you can see, along with the data, you can see your chart. So here, quarter 1, that is your first quarter, sales is 8.2, second quarter 3.2, third quarter 1.4, fourth quarter 1.2. I am going to keep this data as it is, so I will close that Excel part. And as you can see here, we have got the chart styles group and the data group. From the chart styles group, you can select the style of your chart. There are so many chart styles are available. As you can see the difference. Okay, so this is how you can change it. Let's take this one. From change colors, you can change the color combination of your chart. You can see here, I'm moving my cursor, right? And they are changing the colors. Let's take this one. Then quick layout, which will change the overall layout of your chart. Let's take this layout, which is the 6th one, which will shows the following chart elements, which are the chart title, legend and the percentage data label. As you can see over here, 9%, 10%, 23% and 58%. Then add chart elements, with the help of which you can add the extra elements in your chart. Let us say the data labels. Here they have given the best fit. You can go for the outside or inside end. Then this way also you can show your data labels. So I am going to go for data call out. Next up we are having this select the data, which will change the data range included in the chart. So select it and then here you can change the data, right? But I am not going to change the data over here. Edit data. You can edit your data in your Excel file or here. So edit data in Excel and here you can change the data which is already there. Okay. If I go for 5.3 over here and then minimize it. So if you have seen here 48% they have given. So this is how you change or edit the data. Then change chart type. If you want to move from your pie chart to the another one, so from here you can change the chart style. Let us say the bar chart. Click any of the bar chart. I am going to click the 3D and then click OK button over here. So did you see that? This is your bar chart. Your pie chart is being converted into the bar chart. So this is how you insert a chart in your document, which will make your document more attractive. For more videos, please stay tuned with Nirja Education and keep learning with it.